Your Genesis offers a host of customization options, including the ability to reorganize the in-car infotainment system menu as you see fit. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is in park with the parking brake applied. Press the ignition once to turn the vehicle to the accessory position, or depress the brake pedal and press the ignition to turn the vehicle on. Press Home to bring up the infotainment menu. Scroll through the menu by using the central controller knob or the infotainment touchscreen. Once you locate the setting that you'd like to move, press and hold your finger over the item on the infotainment screen. This will select it and enter edit mode. Now drag and drop the menu item to move it to a new position. You can navigate to and reorganize as many menu items as you'd like to build your own custom infotainment menu. After cycling the vehicle off and then back on, you'll see the infotainment menu retain the new layout with your customization. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.